Introducing first, in the blue corner to my left, wearing black with gold. Official weight, 126 pounds. His professional record, 23 wins with 7 losses, with 15 wins coming by way of knockout. He is the former WBA, NABA Bantamweight champion and the former world title challenger. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the challenger from Nicaragua, El General Daniel Diaz. And across the ring is his opponent to my right in the red corner, wearing black with red and white. Official weight, 126 pounds. His professional record, a perfect one. 16 fights, 16 wins with 12 wins coming by way of knockout. He is ranked number 2 by the World Boxing Organization and ranked number 12 by the World Boxing Council. Here is the fighting pride of Tagbilaran City, Bohol, the reigning and defending WBO International Featherweight Champion, introducing Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Man in charge of the action, he will be giving instruction right after the introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, veteran international boxing referee, attorney Danrex Tapdasa.
Vamos, Daniel. Send it. Mark. Okay, Mark, Daniel. I already gave your instructions in the dressing room. Le explique las reglas en el camerino. Okay? Protect yourself at all times. Protéjase a sí mismo todo el tiempo. Obey my commands at all times. Obedecer mis órdenes todo el tiempo. Toques, guantes, touch gloves. Good luck to both of you.
Okay, back na. Ito ang ating main event sa Pinoy Pride 41.
Ready. Ready.
Interesting ito si Diaz, no? Started out his boxing career
Listos? Ready.
with 10 wins,
Yes.
right? Very tall for a featherweight. Look at that, 5'9", pero was inactive for 2 years, from 2013 to 2015. Then fought once, won, then ito na. Second fight since coming back. But look at that height advantage.
And
of
be on the
Diaz.
lookout for the right hand of El General Diaz, because that is his pet weapon. He starts slow, but once he warms up, I remember how he defeated Roberto Marroquin of Dallas, a top prospect sa 122-pound division. He knocked down Marroquin and then outgutted him the rest of the way. He plans to do the same thing dito kay Mark Magsayo. Magsayo starting out well, ano? Tama-tama muna. Dahan-dahan muna, malaking kalaban, huwag magmadali, huwag bara-bara, dahil yun nga naging flow niya nung una kay Chris Avalos.
Tama.
Oo, gusto mo muna, tingnan mo muna kung ano ibubuga na yung katunggali.
Kilala sa kanyang power mula sa kaliwat kanan to si Mark Magsayo. Undefeated, perfect record so far, 16-0.
Oy, down!
Good shot!
Wow.
1, 2,
Tres,
4,
5, 6,
Display
7,
of
8.
power.
Avante. Está bien. Continuar.
Phenomenal start.
Pati si Diaz, si El General, napasaludo. Oh boy!
Mark
Magsayo
Magsayo.
is a tremendous
Second knockdown dito sa
Tres.
I did say that Diaz is a slow starter, but this is very slow.
7.
This is slow motion.
And what a fast start para kay Magnifico.
Can he even survive the round? Oh, no, he's out. He's out. Holy display. Unbelievable.
Tagumpay.
Unholy display of power.
Napakabilis ang tagumpay para kay Magsayo. Woo! Hindi pa nga
Hindi
pinawisan.
nakaporma.
Hindi pa pinawisan.
Hindi niya pinaporma.
Siya.
Wow. Ito.
El General napasaludo sa loob ng isang round kay Magnifico Mark Magsayo. Magsayo, careful, very careful in the opening minutes, and then suddenly exploding.
Wow. Sabi mo nga, patient muna si Magsayo, pero
Oo.
mukhang hindi na niya
Nung makita niya ang
napigilan
oportunidad.
suntok niya. All target lang. Panoorin natin ulit.
Ayan.
Attorney Ed, ang una.
Look at that.
We would like to
One
acknowledge the
shot.
presence of Mayor
Another knockdown. The second knockdown. And here is the finishing. Oh, good shot. Ang ganda ng mga patama ni Magnifico. Talagang Magnifico ang kanya naging display. Look at that double left hook. This is a display of power. Look at that. That's the last knockdown. And look at that. Down goes President si Mark Magsayo.
Okay, let's go over now to the ring.
Ladies and gentlemen, the end comes 1 minute and 45 seconds in the very first round. The winner by TKO victory, ladies and gentlemen, from Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Mark Magnifico!